welcome to the science class for class 10th. Today's topic is chemical reaction and equations, chapter number 1. Chemical reactions and equations. सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं एक केमिकल रिएक्शंस क्या है. It is everything of life, everything of this earth, everything of this universe. How this sun is glowing like a fireball because of chemical reaction. मेरे चेहरे से पसीने निकल रहे हैं because of chemical reaction. Right? मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूं because of a chemical reaction, because of a group of chemical reactions. तो आपके चारों ओर जो भी देख रहे हो, everything are a product of chemical reaction. जैसे मैंने यहाँ लिख रहा है, I am writing with this pen. This pen contains ink. Yeah? So that ink is a product of chemical reaction. You are writing on a page, reaction is going on. आप खाना खा रहे हो, खाना खाने के बाद that gives you energy. That is also a result of chemical reaction. Milk converted to curd. अगर दूध को आप बाहर निकाल कर रख देते हो, 2 घंटे 3 घंटे के बाद देखते हो जम जाता है, खट्टा स्मेल आने लगता है. इट इज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन. आपके किचन से बहुत बढ़िया खुशबू आते हैं. किचन इज ए बिग लेबोरेटरी ऑफ केमिस्ट्री. ओके, दैट इज ए फैक्ट्री ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शंस. If you are taking air, you are giving out air. So these two air going in and coming out, they have different chemical composition. So these are all called chemical reactions. So in a chemical reaction, the substances, the initial substances and the final substances, they have a change. Or you can say substance changes once a reaction takes place. So these reactions are again of two types: physical change and chemical change. Today's topic is chemical change. As far as physical change is concerned, you have already read in class 9. If you have any doubt, you can refer the class 9 video for this physical change. So today we will see chemical change. Now example is respiration. Just I have told you respiration. When you respire, you are taking oxygen in. That is, oxygen is going into your body. When you expire, it is inspiration. When you expire or give out, it is coming out like this, carbon dioxide. So between this inspiration and expiration, there is a chemical reaction. Okay, there is a chemical reaction, and that reaction is called respiration. C6H12O6 is the food that burns in presence of oxygen which you breathe, and that gives out carbon dioxide and water, and this is coming out from your body. So this is that process of chemical. It is not a single reaction, rather it is a group of reactions. I have given you the final product of this chemical reaction. We will discuss in detail in our respiration class. Okay, another example. Take a nail, put it in humid condition, और पानी में भिगा करके थोड़ी देर के लिए, 2 दिन के लिए बाहर रख दो. क्या होगा? यस, लाल कलर के कुछ लग जाएंगे इसमें. तवा, घर में जो रोटी बनती है तवा लोहे के होते हैं उसमें, या बड़े कढ़ाई जिसमें पकौड़ियाँ तले जाते हैं वो भी लोहे का. तो उसको अगर आप वॉश करके रख दो तो उसमें देखोगे लाल कलर के कुछ लग जाते हैं. दैट इज रस्ट. Yeah, rust. So this rust is also a product of chemical reaction. What happens here? Iron in presence of oxygen, okay, in moist condition, it changes to rust. Am I right? Rust. The chemical formula is iron is Fe, oxygen 3 oxygen combines with 4 iron in humid condition, moist, and gives you Fe2O3. This is called ferric oxide. Ferric oxide is formed. You can balance it like this. Ferric oxide is formed. Sometimes if more moisture is there, it occupies some water molecules in it, that is n number of water molecules. When this is the condition, this is called ferric oxide hydrated. So this is what iron products get rust in rainy season. What happens in a chemical reaction? Generally, there are 4 things you observe in a chemical reaction. First of all, in a chemical reaction, the reactant or the substance undergoes change in its state. Change in its state. दूसरा, second one, okay, it may change its color. Color change may observe. Okay. Third, change in temperature. Change in temperature. Fourth one is may evolution of गैस. गैस भी निकल सकता है उस रिएक्शंस में. तो ये 4 चेंजेस होते हैं उस सब्सटेंस के साथ जो which undergoes a chemical reactions. Let's see with some activities. First of all, you will see the activities number 1 of your book, where magnesium ribbon. Here is the diagram. You can see the diagram. Magnesium ribbon is burnt, and below it a petri dish is given. You will see while burning this magnesium ribbon, some ashes are dropping down and it is collected in the petri dish. Color of magnesium ribbon, you can just note it. Bunsen burner is providing fire to burn the ribbon, and the ash is falling down in the petri dish. See, a solid it changes to ash, a powdery substances. Okay? So here state change occur, also color change occur. So it is a chemical reaction. अब हुआ क्या है इसमें? ओके, सो इसको हम अगर रिएक्शन पे लिखेंगे तो कैसे लिखेंगे इसको? मैग्नीशियम रिबन burns in presence of oxygen to give a white powder जो आयस के जैसा दिख रहा है. क्लियर? तो यहाँ पे चेंज हुआ क्या? ए सॉलिड वन चेंजेस टू ए amorphous solid. Okay, so state is changed. Got my point? Also, the color of magnesium changes to ash color. This is what your activity number 1. Now come to activity number 2. Your lead nitrate solution is taken in a test tube, white color, lead nitrate solution, to it potassium iodide solution is added. Both are white in color. Okay, this is also white in color. You will see two products are formed. Product number one is lead iodide and product number two is potassium nitrate. Potassium nitrate. See here, this lead iodide is yellow color and potassium nitrate is again white color. So two white colored substance undergoes chemical reaction to give a yellow color substance and another one is white. So this yellow color substance that formed here indicates that chemical reaction has taken place. Color change. बाकी कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. पहले वाले में क्या दिख रहा था? स्टेट चेंज हुआ था. दोनों सॉलिड थे पर इस सॉलिड का फॉर्म और इस सॉलिड का फॉर्म अलग था. कलर चेंज भी थे वहां पे. ओके, टेक अनदर एक्टिविटी. Here you will take hydrochloric acid. To it add zinc metal. Okay, you will see it is in a beaker. Okay, in a beaker this reaction is going on. Now you will see that zinc chloride is formed and hydrogen gas is released. ठीक है. Now do one more experiment with this. Please touch the beaker. You will say little heat is coming out. Clear? वो गर्म हो गया है बीकर. मतलब यहाँ पे गैस इवोल्यूशन हुआ और साथ में टेम्परेचर चेंज भी हुआ. जब सबसे पहले आपने उसको लिया था तो बीकर ठंडा था. जैसे ये रिएक्शन प्रोसीड हुआ बीकर गर्म होने लगा. मीन्स टेम्परेचर ऑल्सो इंक्रीज. सो आई हैव शोन यू ऑल दिस प्रूव four features of a chemical reaction in these three examples. Clear? So a chemical reaction must have change in its state, change in its color, change in temperature or evolution of a gas. Is it clear now? So this is what is a chemical reaction. So let's see how to write a chemical reactions. आपने देखा होगा यहाँ पे मैंने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के नाम लिखे थे. यहाँ पे शॉर्ट फॉर्म पे लिख दिया. इसकी एक फॉर्मूला है, एक प्रोसेस है कैसे हम केमिकल इक्वेशन को लिखते हैं. चलिए आप जानेंगे केमिकल इक्वेशन. हाउ टू राइट ए केमिकल इक्वेशन. टू राइट केमिकल इक्वेशन. एक ही एग्जांपल हम लेते हैं, वही मैग्नीशियम वाली फर्स्ट एग्जांपल. तो उसको हम अगर लिखेंगे तो जनरल भाषा में, जनरल लॉन्ग टर्म में अगर लिखेंगे हम क्या लिखेंगे? magnesium ribbon burns in presence of oxygen to give magnesium oxide. Clear? Magnesium oxide. Here it is. You can write burn. A long process. This is a long process where the reactants are written with their names and the product is formed. Between them there is an arrow mark and this arrow mark indicates the direction of reaction. Means ये दोनों react होकर के ये दिए हैं. ये है, this is called long form of reaction writing. Short form के लिए हमको इनकी ये जो मटेरियल्स हैं इनकी फॉर्मूला को याद करना होगा. रिकॉल द फॉर्मूला ऑफ मैग्नीशियम. मैग्नीशियम फॉर्मूला इज Mg. ऑक्सीजन इज O2. इट बर्न्स. ओके, एंड इट गिव्स MgO. हो गया. Here you see this side, on your left hand side you will see magnesium and oxygen is there and they are called reactant or reactants. If more than one is there, then you can say it is reactants. If only one is there, then it is called reactant. If more is there, then those two or more are written by giving a plus sign. We are giving a plus sign. Then on this is called LHS side, and this side is RHS side. On the RHS side, right hand side, you will write the product. One, then it is product, if more than products. So these products, if products are there, then if two products are produced, then you will give the plus sign and write the other products. Second product. If third is there, then again put one plus sign and write the third product. Right? Now this arrow indicates the proceeding of reaction from reactant side to product side. Right? One more thing, there are some reactions are there which reversed. So in that case, at this place, the symbol is written like this, and they are called reversible reaction. And the reaction which never reversed are called irreversible reaction, and they are marked with a arrow mark from reaction to product side. If products can again react to give reactant, then the symbol used is like this. This is called reversible reaction, and this is called irreversible reaction. So like this you can write the chemical equation. So for writing chemical equation, the formula of the element, formula of the substance or formula of the matter is most important. So this is all about your chemical reactions and how to write chemical equation. अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब करें और नेक्स्ट वीडियो का इंतजार करें, पर लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।